Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to reorder or rearrange the picklist field value in Salesforce. We are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic experience. Firstly, we are going to discuss this concept for the Salesforce Lightning. For this, you firstly need to log in into your Salesforce account in the Lightning experience. By default, you will log in into the home page. Now your next step is to click on the gear icon located on the top side and click on the setup option. It redirects you to the new setup page where you will get a object manager option on the top navigation bar. You have to click on this object manager option located on the top and it will shows you the list of all the custom and the standard object. Now you have to choose up the object for which you want to rearrange the picklist value. In this case, I am going to show you the example of the account object. So I click on that. Now you have to click on the field and relationship option located on the left hand side. And after that, it shows you the list of all the fields that are available for the account object. Either it is a custom or a standard one. Now your duty is to search for the field to whose value you want to rearrange. It makes sure that the field must be of a picklist type. Now here in this case, I am going to show you the case of the ownership field. I click on the standard ownership field and it opens up the ownership field detail page. Once it opens, I scroll down. I scroll down to the section account ownership picklist value. Here I have one button named as reorder. I click on that. It opens up the page for the ownership picklist field values and it asks you can sort the values. You have to select the value, use the arrow to change its placement in the list. Here we have different arrows, top, up, down and bottom. I select up the value, use the arrow and set up their position. After that, I click on the save button to save up the changes, or you can say to save up the rearranged order of the picklist field value. You can see that the picklist field value order successfully changed. With this, we have learned how to rearrange the picklist field value in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will proceed and learn how to rearrange or reorder the picklist field value in a Salesforce Classic. For this, firstly you have to log in into your Salesforce account in the Classic experience. But if you are not on the Classic experience, you have to click on the profile and from here you have to choose up the option switch to a Salesforce Classic. Once you reached on your Salesforce Classic experience, you have to click on the setup option located on the top. Once you click on that setup option, you scroll down to the build section. Here you have a customize drop down expanded and from here it shows you the list of all the objects available in Salesforce. Now you have to choose of the object whose picklist field value you want to rearrange. In this case, I am going to show you the example for the contracts. So I click on the contract drop down and click on the fields option. Once I click on the field option, it shows you all the fields of the contract object. Either it is a standard or it is a custom one. Now you have to search up the picklist field whose value you want to rearrange. In this case, I decided to rearrange the picklist value for the contract type, which is a custom field type in a Salesforce and it is of a picklist field type. So I click on the name of the contract type and it opens up the contract type custom field list detailed page. Now I scroll down to the values section. Here I have a reorder button. I click on that. It opens up a page with the list of values and some arrows. Now to rearrange these values, I have to use this arrow as per the requirement. Now I select the field value from the list of the values and use this arrow to rearrange them. Once I finally rearrange all my values, I scroll down and click on the save button. Once I click on a save button, it successfully rearranged all the picklist field values in a Salesforce Classic as per my requirement or the changes that I have made. With this, we have learned how to rearrange the picklist field value in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic experience. If you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.